This is Yasindran. My project mates are P. Parthasarathi, D. Nishwant, S. Sudhagar. And our final year project is Design and Analysis of Automotive Bumper Bin in Low Speed Frontal Crashes. And our project lead is Mr. S. Satish Kumar. Abstract. In this study, a front bumper beam made of different material is studied by impact modeling to determine the deflection, impact force, stress distribution, and energy absorption behavior. The mentioned characteristics are compared to each other to find the best choice of material, shape, and thickness. Our problem identification. The power bumper is intended to prevent or decrease physical damage to the front and backside of the car in low speed impact. Automobile bumpers are not normally designed to be structural components that would fundamentally contribute to vehicle crash worthiness or occupant protection during front or rear impact. Our proposed methodology: study manufacturing process, identification of problems, studying the exist method. Bumper are designed to secure the hood, trunk, grille, fuel, exhaust, and cooling system, as well as safety related equipment such as parking lights, headlamps, and tail lights in low speed crashes. Production of bumper. Create a bumper model in CATIA V5 software. Mesh the bumper model by selecting shell element in HyperMesh. Solve the model in ANSYS LS Dyna, and then result analysis is obtained.
Hello, I am Parthasarathi. Now I will explain about design bumper. You can go through the picture where bumper is designed. The literature survey. Literature survey, we have studied about DVD ETL proposed conceptual design of fiber reinforced epoxy composite bumper as a pedestrian energy absorber. And you can see a few more literature surveys which we have done, and material to be compared. And we have done our project in aluminium A20204 T351 series bumper, glass matte thermoplastic, which is defined as GMT. This is one more metal we have used in our project, and the molded sheet is sheet molded composite SMC. The conclusion of our project is the study concentrate on evaluation of conventional aluminium bumper with composite materials such as glass, matte thermoplastic, and the optimized material and thickness for the bumper design and resulted in 4 mm thick SMC bumper. Strength, rigidity, less material, easy of manufacturing, and cost reduction aspects is considered while optimizing the bumper. Deflection, impact force, stress distribution, energy distribution are studied for various materials and thickness. All energy results are plotted for optimized bumper thickness. The scope of our project is to stimulate the high-speed impact test should be made to study the behavior of materials considering non-linear material properties which might give better results. The limitations of our project is validation becomes hard without performing a practical crash test. And thank you for listening us. Thank you.